Sentra or Corolla? What are we doing, boys? Ooh, I like the red on this Corolla. Yeah, let's do it. Corolla it is. Let's go, baby. Nice. Love it when your rental cars come with stains on the driver's seat. Yeah, pretty sure someone crapped their pants in this. Oh man, the passenger seat's even worse. Oh, at least they could have put the covers on. Is that blood on the dash? What? All right. I'm loving this so far. How does this even work? Oh, yeah. Wonder if there's a USB port here somewhere we can like change the tune on this. New car, who dis, boys? Corolla time. Yee yee. Running in the 90s. Hey, it lied to us. We're ready to drive. Yo, I like this. I like this shifter for an automatic. Oh wait, is that traction control? Traction control turned off. Let's go, boys. I like this. They try to like, ooh, the door's locked when I did that. They try to make it look like a manual. New car things. I'm not used to that. My 90s crap box doesn't do that. How low does this go? Jeez, who was driving this last? The smallest person in the world. Must have been Randy. All right, now that we got the seat adjusted, I think we got about an hour's drive. But first, I need to find coffee. How do I connect my phone to this? Oh, Tanya, I guess, was the last person who used this car. Were you the one that left these stains on the seat? Welcome to today's video, everybody. Obviously, we're back in the USA and we're mainly here for the LZ Invitational. But every year I like to come and do a bunch more, kind of like traveling around and hanging out with people so that we can kind of make a bit more of a trip out of it. And this year is no different. We're definitely gonna be catching up with a lot of friends and trying to travel around the US more. We're spending a couple days in LA before heading to Florida for the LZ Invitational and all of that kind of chaos. Before then, probably doing a bit more traveling after that and then heading home. So I hope you're excited. We're gonna go catch up with some friends probably now for breakfast. I am so jet lagged, it's ridiculous. Unfortunately, I couldn't get any sleep on the flight over here. And then once I landed, it was back to the morning of the same day. And I had to force myself to stay awake till 8 p.m., which then meant I was awake for way too long. By the time I did fall asleep, it was about 8:30, 8 o'clock, and I didn't wake up till 11 a.m. So I've definitely slept a lot, but it's probably not ideal for resetting my body clock. So tonight and the next couple days is still gonna be a little rough, but we should be okay. Anyways, let's go grab breakfast. Got the thermostat set to 69, we good? And I have to admit, I'm really thoroughly surprised at how quickly I've picked up driving on the right side of the road and the left side of the car. It was almost like I just flicked a switch and my brain instantly was like, nope, Sam, you don't turn on this side of the road. That's the wrong side of the road here. And we picked it up pretty fast, despite being really tired yesterday. And then now, Corollas have this crazy new self-driving stuff with the cruise control, and it'll literally self-drive like a Tesla. It's actually scary. I'll show you guys in a bit once we're moving. So once you're driving, all you have to do is make sure this button's pushed, hit the set button, and now it'll just self-drive for you at whatever speed you set it, and it'll automatically I naturally want to grab the wheel. This is a pretty big lane, so it'll like kind of drift between the lanes, but if it's like on the highway, it'll self-drive, take corners and everything. It's so weird. I have trust issues with it. Like, I'm not even touching the wheel right now, and it's just like self-cruising by itself. It just sped up to match the speed, and we're just staying in the lane. Like, isn't that nuts? And I still want to put my hand on the wheel because I just don't trust it. I don't know how you guys in Teslas do this. Like, there are people that sleep at the wheel. This is mind-blowing to me. Every time I drive just like a normal daily car like this, like a fairly new car, it makes me reconsider my decisions in life with my current street cars, because I'm like, oh, this is so nice. Like, why don't I have something like this that I could just drive around in? Yep. Why do I have to like all these 90s cars? All right, now let's just see. It should steer in the lane. My hand is here, guys. It's doing everything for us. It's keeping us in. What the hell? This is creeping me out. My foot's not even touching the gas. It's just doing everything. Oh, it wants me to hold the steering wheel. Okay, sorry. Okay. Oh, it's gonna brake for us. My hand's here. My hand's here. It's braking for us. What the flip? Foot's here, guys. Not touching anything. This is a Toyota Corolla. Since when is this been like my feet are here and it just came to a stop? What the flip? That's so weird. Technology, bros. Yeah, I think I'm in the right spot. Look who it is, guys.
Hello, hello,
hey,
hello.
How you doing?
Wonderful. It's a beautiful day in California, you know?
Yeah, I thought so I'm not American, so I was like, I just thought we were in LA, and then I saw the California plates, and then I realized, oh, LA is in California.
Yes, exactly, yep.
Yeah.
That happens a lot.
It happens a lot. So we're out with Rob, Isaiah, Joel, and Rob's brother, Matt. And we're getting breakfast at a Cuban place.
Yeah, so Cuban coffee spot. They have Cuban food.
I'm
really
excited.
Good stuff.
I'm a huge coffee guy.
Yeah.
So we can do some ASMR coffee in there with me?
Yeah,
you want to do that?
Yeah, they have a little frother machine and everything
Ooh.
like that. And I brought 4 rotors out.
Yeah, 4 rotors and 2 cars. I like that. Yeah, not bad.
Street
I think
cars.
Rob's doing some tuning, street tuning right now, so he's a bit focused on that. Yeah. But I'm excited, man. Cuban food, I love it. What did you call this?
Love. This is love in a box. These are.
Where I come from, we'd call that a halal snack pack.
Halal snack.
I'm not even joking. That literally looks like it. It's got the meat. It's got everything on top of chips. That looks amazing. I'm excited.
They're fries here in America.
Oh, yeah. Fries? Oh,
yeah.
Poutine.
Poutine.
And then I got a Cuban sandwich. I think we all got one of these. This looks so fire.
I'll have them bring out more sauce. Oh, that's yeah. Fried bananas.
That's fried bananas?
Yeah, you want one?
Well, plantain, which what sucks is that do not buy plantains like from the grocery store. They are like the driest, most starchy thing ever,
okay.
But they're sweet and soft when they're cooked.
All right. Well, I'll give that a try, but this looks amazing. Cuban feed, fire, absolutely amazing. I need to eat more of that stuff. And the coffee was really good. I thought at first it was like super milky, but like it's really sweet and just, I don't know how to describe it. I feel like it was more of like a frappe that was hot than like a normal hot coffee, if that makes sense. I don't know, but anyways. We're about to go for a nice drive in the mountains and check out this lineup. I love that it's like rotary swapped Corvette, RX-7 FC, which I'm very jealous about, and then the rental Corolla. Now I kind of wish we got a Mustang or something, because then it'd be kind of sporty and kind of match with the Corvette, but anyways. So we're hanging out with Joel. He's my passenger princess. And I believe, Joel, correct me if I'm wrong, but we're going to be driving in these mountains up here, right? That's where we're heading?
Oh, yes. GMR.
We're going to try and keep up with that. I still can't believe like this is normal, right? Just seeing like bundles of hay on the back of a car in traffic.
Surprisingly.
Yeah.
Not as much in LA, but out here, yes.
Out here? Is this like more like out in the sticks, would you say?
Yeah, it's like suburbia kind of mixed with like industrial area, I guess.
Alright. This is so wild. I feel like I'm driving in the middle of a desert or something. I've never left the airport at LA, so like getting to drive on a mountain road like this is so awesome. I'm thoroughly enjoying this. I'm really regretting getting the Corolla now though.
Initial D, dude.
Yeah. Oh, what's going on here? Barbecue or something?
I think there's hiking trails here.
Oh, cool. Everyone just pulls up on the side of the road.
I could be wrong, but I think there's also a waterfall somewhere.
This is so good. I'd come out here and drive like every day. The Corolla feels nice though. It's a little blurry though, but not too bad. We are currently pulled over on the side of the road, and I just noticed something about the Corvette. These wheels, are these a OEM factory wheel, Joel?
Yes, these are actually the rears. Yeah,
The rears.
These are the rears.
They look like a Blitz 03 wheel.
They kind of
like the holy grail of like Japanese wheels. They do. From a distance, I was like, no way does he have Blitz 03s on that. But it's
we
actually
upgraded to the C6 brakes, so the front wheels wouldn't fit anymore. So the rear wheels.
Are these the rear wheels off a C6?
No, so these are the OEM wheels to the Z06 C5.
Okay.
And then the brake setup on this car is a C6 Z06 setup.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Damn, yeah, those calipers, like there's not much clearance, and these are the rears you said.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not gonna touch the brake because they're probably a little hot right now. Not too bad? All right, just go straight in for it. This thing's so cool. Everything about this is just amazing. And I love that you guys went all in with the Corvette tips there. So good. Rob specifically said he's gonna do stuff for the boys. I love this Corvette. And rocks. All right, we gotta jump in and catch up now. The good old roller.
I don't know why they're going that way.
This is so much fun. This road that Rob's taking us to is just absolutely beautiful, and it's so tight and windy. We're doing pretty good to keep up with Matt in the FC. Rob's in the front in the C5. He's kind of babying it though. But yeah, it's dude, such an experience. Even though I'm in a Corolla, an automatic Corolla, I'm still having a good time. It's fun. Never driven any roads like this. Never left the airport at LA before, so this is definitely an experience. I'm loving every moment of it. And just the views, like, so good. I think we need to do a Tail of a Dragon experience at some point. We're gonna get a nice car out here for that.
We've just pulled over again, and look at this view, guys. This is what we're seeing. So beautiful.
That's really nice.
Do you want to hold my hand?
This is just one more road over. Look at this. It looks like nobody's ever been here.
Trying to make sure I'm like getting a nice shot for you.
We got the last bit of the sunset while
We've just pulled over again because this looks insane with the sunset, and I don't know if the camera's going to do it justice, but this is absolutely beautiful.
I can see my house from here.
Can you? You were saying before there's a Loch Ness monster down there too. Yeah. If I can zoom in, you can kind of see it sticking its head out of the water there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not shy.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool seeing all the cars way down there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, you can see them on that road.
I feel like if I had a score sheet, I can make it over there, you know?
I'd pay to see that.
Yeah, I'll probably die.
Oh, there's the understeer.
This is a maximum attack.
Running in the 90s.
Oh my gosh. This is insane.
I'm taking a break from driving because I need to start editing today's vlog, but we definitely hit the limits of the Corolla, didn't we, Joel?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was not happy.
It was not happy.
The brakes are still mushy.
Yeah, on the downhill, we definitely raged a lot harder than on the uphill, and we had understeering issues. The rear was kicking out. Every time the tire screech was insane, and then the brake fade got ridiculous too. So we ended up just chilling halfway down, but it was still a lot of fun, and I'm thoroughly impressed actually with how well this Corolla handled in stock form, like stock suspension and all that. It was pretty good, pretty good. It was still a lot of fun. That's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, you were getting it.
Yeah, it was good. I was doing like slingshot methods and stuff out of corners. It was great. All right. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. We're gonna probably head back to the shop and just have a quiet night, but make sure you tune in for tomorrow. We'll probably do some more Rob Darm things, rotary stuff, and then from there, we've got some more traveling to get done and some more people to visit. So smash the like button, write a comment, and subscribe. I hope you're enjoying Vlogmas, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.